Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of resetting your Kalff Wi-Fi extender. Whether you're experiencing connection problems, facing performance issues, or simply want to set it up from scratch, resetting the extender can help resolve these challenges. Let's dive in and get started with the reset. Resetting your Kalff Wi-Fi extender is necessary when it's not functioning properly, such as failing to connect, frequent disconnections, or slow speeds. A reset restores the device to its factory default settings, helping resolve issues caused by configuration errors, outdated firmware, or other performance-related problems, allowing for a fresh setup. First, find a nearby electrical outlet and plug in your Kalff Wi-Fi extender. Make sure the outlet is easily accessible and provides a stable power supply. It's best to position the extender halfway between your router and the area where you need a stronger Wi-Fi signal. First, let's find the reset button on your Kalff Wi-Fi extender. Typically, it's located on the back or bottom of the device. You'll notice it's a small, recessed button, often labeled Reset. You'll need a pin or paperclip to press it. Let's move on to the next step. To press the reset button, you'll need a paperclip, pin, or any small, thin object to insert into the tiny hole. Gently press it in without forcing it. Once the pin is inserted, hold the button down for 10 to 15 seconds. During this time, the LED lights on the extender may blink or change color, signaling that the reset process is underway. After holding the reset button for approximately 15 seconds, release it. Your Kalff Wi-Fi extender will now initiate the reset process. This may take a minute or so to complete. During this time, the device will reboot and restore its factory settings, ready for a fresh setup. Once the reset is complete, your Kalff Wi-Fi extender will automatically reboot and return to its factory default settings. You'll notice the power LED blinking initially, and after a short while, it will become solid. This indicates that the reset process is fully finished, and the device is ready to use. Now that your Kalff Wi-Fi extender has been reset, you can set it up again, from scratch. Just follow the setup instructions in your manual, or refer to our previous video for a step-by-step guide on setting up your Kalff extender. If you experience any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of experts is always ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support and personalized guidance. We're here to ensure your experience with the Kalff Wi-Fi extender is smooth and trouble-free. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713. And that's how easy it is to reset your Kalff Wi-Fi extender. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.